So both fans are equipped with these really cool Lagun tables. They come in handy and they can be taken apart and put back together however you need them. So basically you've got the one arm. It needs to be loose before it goes on. In grit, we keep it closer to the door because it can be put here and used outdoors, or you can swing it around here and you can swivel the seat and then you have a really cool workstation. All right, so all you have to do here is you place the arm on the extension here, press it down, and you can even tighten that down. You don't really have to, it doesn't go anywhere. You can swivel it a bit, and then the table itself has another insert, goes in the arm here. Pop that down, and we've got an outdoor cooking station, preparation, anything you need outside. In order to put it back, same thing. If this is tightened down, we just loosen it up, shimmy it up and out of place, and then the arm comes out. Boom. And you freed up your space here.